about 4.5 Gs as they pull into the vertical. Straight on up they go. As the airspeed diminishes, they still have plenty of power and performance. They ease the nose on over and a maneuver called the Now watch carefully as they head straight into the vertical once again. Airspeed is going to be dropping. In fact, it's going to come down to 0 as they twist the airplanes around with the flight controls. And now the powerful Lycoming engines are twisting these aircraft around themselves as they fly backwards in the torque roll. Simultaneous torque rolls at either end of the box by the Firebirds X-treme Team. Each is well over 200 miles an hour, a 400-mile-an-hour closure rate as they climb away from each other. Lots of those snap rolls as they continue away from each other. And now heading toward each other once again. Toward each other and pull up into the vertical. Find abreast formation as they come up over the top. They're going to use this maneuver to rejoin the formation at midfield. Rob Holland, flying now since the age of 18 and has accumulated greater than 9,500 hours of flight time in over 158 different types of aircraft, ranging from the Piper Cub to regional transport aircraft and gliders to this high-performance aerobatic machine, the MX-2. Perfectly matched in their arcs as they climb into the vertical and on up over the top. Completing 5/8 of a loop, they roll the formation around to upright flight. Completing 1/2 of that Cuban 8 maneuver we've told you about before, that figure 8 lying on its side. And this time, rounded off over the top of a loop with a cloverleaf. If you did 4 of these, it would look like a cloverleaf. Well, that's 1/4 cloverleaf as they switchblade right across each other's flight path. And head back toward you, accelerating all the while. These very, very tight turning aircraft. Let's watch as we're going to get Rob Holland to pull on up into the hover, and let's watch Jack Knutson the extra 300. There's Rob Holland. His partner in sight. He's going to cut right across his flight path. While Rob Holland pulls the nose up and hangs it on the drop in the hover, being circled by Jack Knutson in the extra 300. Hanging in the sky like a helicopter, Rob Holland. You're watching the Firebirds X-treme Team. In the ratchet roll. We're going to try to go to the cockpit here, and we're going to see if we can talk to Jack Knutson. See if we can get a hold of him on the radio. Jack Knutson, can you read me on the radio?
We have you loud and clear also. You're talking to the folks on the PA, so go ahead. everybody in Pittsburgh. This is Jack on the red airplane. Great to be doing the hometown air show. We're taking a quick break here. Get some energy for our next maneuver, which is the giant.
Radio calls, such as pull, such as roll, now. Separate as they perform the big hard maneuver in the sky. The Firebirds X-treme Team.